Bad things happen to good people, and when disaster strikes, you need an attorney to represent your interests in and out of court. A good lawyer is not necessarily hard to find, but choosing the one that's best for your needs and situation can be a bit of a challenge. Well, with us this morning is Linda Rios, owner of Rios Law Firm, to help us out with that. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here today. A lot of people need your help, and I want to first start by saying you are a New Mexico girl, so we appreciate that. You're representing New Mexicans. Tell us a little bit about your background.
Born and raised in Santa Fe.
Nice.
I came to Albuquerque and attended UNM. I got my undergraduate, my master's in public administration, and then my law degree. I worked as a policy analyst before I went to law school, and I realized that my passion, my love was to be an advocate for people. So I decided to go to law school so that I could help people as opposed to just analyzing documents.
I like that, and I know people will appreciate having someone from New Mexico representing them here in New Mexico. So what's the type of law that you actually specialize in?
My practice is limited strictly to personal injury cases.
Okay. So if people find themselves in legal trouble, where do they begin on their search for the right representation? What would you tell them?
I would tell people the best thing to do is talk to someone who's been in an accident, talk to someone who's hired an attorney, talk to your doctor, your chiropractor, your acupuncturist, people that work with accident victims or people who are injured, and see what they have to say. Word of mouth is really important because they've been through the process and they know the experience already.
And talking to people you trust.
Absolutely.
I do think that's important. So when you're personally contacted by a prospective client, I'm curious how the whole process actually plays out.
Sure. When somebody calls me, I spend a good amount of time, and my team spends time on the phone with them because we want to determine what is the immediate urgency.
Right.
You know, is their car totaled? Is there a lien on it? Are they injured and they need medical care? Are they being bombarded by calls from insurance companies? So on the phone, we try to just address the immediate need.
Yes.
Then we set up an appointment and I meet with them for about an hour and a half.
Okay.
We go through all the facts, everything they've been sent in the mail, things they've been sent to sign.
So if they come to you, you'd want them to bring all their documents,
all their
everything.
documents.
Okay.
Bring your insurance coverage. Any questions you have, it's a free consultation, and I tell people this is your free chance to get all the information that you need to help you through the process. And I truly do help them go through all of that and figure it out and learn it. It shouldn't be a mystery. I want my clients to know what they're dealing with.
That's so nice, and I think it's so comforting for them to know that, obviously. So, you know, many people who find themselves in trouble, they don't have, I mean, we have to be honest, they don't have a lot of faith in the legal system. You hear that a lot. There's a lot of skeptics out there. So how do you help them maneuver through any of that cynicism and through the process?
Well, first of all, when people come to me and they often say, well, why do I need an attorney? I've just been in an accident. The other person has insurance. Keep in mind, we are your voice. We are your advocates. We are representing your interests. The insurance company has an adjuster to do that for them.
Exactly.
So when they're calling you and they're asking you for, you know, statements and information and asking you for your injury diagnosis and all of this crazy information, you need someone to stand in front and field all of that. We handle everything for you. If my client's been injured or they've lost a family member in a horrible accident, I want them to heal. I want them to get treatment. I want them to get better. We do the paperwork, we get the records, we deal with the insurance companies, we deal with mechanics liens when you think you're going to lose your vehicle. You know, we get your vehicle moved to the proper location. All of those things, we are doing all of that in the background for you so
I love hearing that.
So that my client can just get better.
So beyond the legal aspect, you really do care, and I think that makes a big difference. And obviously you can see on your screen right now how viewers can contact the Rios Law Firm. We highly recommend, if you need some help, that you give them a call. Obviously, you are really a wonderful, caring person as well, in addition to being a lawyer. So thank you so much. We appreciate having you here.
And I do care about my clients.
Well,
That's the most
now they
important
know who to
thing.
call.